Hello guys, I need a WeChat account but don't have a QR code to scan. Don't worry, let us do this. So guys, start by downloading the WeChat app from the App Store or Google Play. As you can see, I've tried to actually use the PC app, but as you can see, it prompts me and asks me to scan the QR code right away. You can indeed choose transfer files only, but I see that's not what we need. So basically, to bypass this, you just need to download a mobile version of the app, and after that, when you try signing in, just tap on sign up via mobile and choose your region, and then enter your valid mobile number. Enter your name, password and optional profile photo, then tap next. And here's the trick: if WeChat asks for a QR code scanned during the verification, tap the back arrow and try signing up again using a different region or number. Some users have better luck with this, with less used country codes. Once you bypass the QR part, WeChat will send you a text verification code instead. Then you can enter it and you're in. And that's pretty much how to do this. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you need help with verification. Thanks for watching.